sounds so good! What's up, guys? This thing pops a lot now. So, I got a new exhaust on the bike. And I bought that exhaust on eBay for like $100. There's a sheriff. For like $100, maybe like $120 or something. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you guys my first impressions on it. Kind of see if it's worth it, or if you really should go spend $1 billion on one of those freaking, whatever you want to call them, exhausts that actually don't really make your bike any faster. I don't know. That's kind of the big question, is like, do I just get a, you know, cheap knockoff from eBay because it sounds exactly the same, or do I get a, you know, whatever you want to call it. I love this bike, dude. Don't do it. People are scaring me today. I have to be so aware when I'm riding around here because people in Texas drive kind of different from other places. What the fuck? The bike just died on me. Man, I need to, I think I need to take it in, because it's been just like randomly dying on me. This is the same type of bike that had the recall too, and so that kind of frustrates me. If I take it in, I won't be able to make any videos, obviously. That would suck. I don't know how long that would take. Who knows? Maybe they got to pull the whole engine apart or whatever. The first time that it died on me was actually the day that I bought it in the parking lot. It died like 3 times in a row. Super weird. Oh, that's a race car. Why does my knee feel wet? I don't know how much of the pops that the microphone's picking up, but it's popping a decent bit. Oh, that's so funny. I could slide for so long. I noticed that if I'm going too fast, it'll like kind of hop. It won't slide. Maybe I got to slam it harder. I don't know. I'm just doing like rear brake stuff. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So, one of the downsides to having an eBay exhaust is nothing ever fits right. There's like these little hooks that you put the springs on, and they welded them on backwards, so I just kind of had to ghetto rig it. At first I tried just putting the pipe in backwards, but just nothing fits, and I couldn't find a way to make it work. And I was like, you know what, it'd probably be better if the springs were just on the hooks that were backwards. So the springs are like kind of tucked in the corner of where the hooks are, instead of being like right in the center. Yeah, it looks kind of goofy, but this bike is so much fun, dude. So the exhaust that I got, it doesn't get rid of the mid link, but it does get rid of the like original muffler. And so that's good. But as far as like the mid muffler, there's like a second smaller one in there. That is still there. That was funny. What the fuck? Riding this bike's a good time. I'm still getting used to it. It just like dies on me at random times. I think that it's the tip sensor, because every single time that I've done a stoppie on this bike, it's died. Like, there's never not been a time. Sometimes it'll run for a second and then it'll die, but it always dies. And at first I thought that it was just me, like, I don't know, stalling it. But it turned out to not always be the case, because sometimes I'd pull in the clutch and it would still die on me. Oh my god, this thing sounds great, dude. It sounds so good! Oh, this bike is great. You know, the CX-4R did sound better. I won't lie. I think it's just a different type of motor. I don't know. The way that the motor's built, the size of it. I don't know, maybe the RPMs that it revs to. That ZX4R is something special. But the ZX6R is pretty good too. Hey, look, the police are active over here. Hope they didn't see me do that. He probably at least heard it because he's outside of his car. Man, if you want my honest opinion, I'd probably never buy an exhaust from an actual brand unless it was like a really nice bike. Unless I had like a leader bike or something, maybe then I would. But to spend that much money, I don't know, it's gotta like really be worth it, you know what I mean? Because this shit sounds great. I don't even use the clutch anymore. This quick shifter is so amazing. Dang, bro. Toss the dope. Anyways, guys, I will give you one more little pull. And then I'm going to go ahead and call it. Oh, that's fun, dude. I love this exhaust and I love this bike. You know, occasionally I will miss my 4R, but this 6R is just like better in every way. I won't even lie. The color, the power that it puts down, everything, dude, it's just great. I love the torque too. That's my favorite part. It's so linear. It just like, it pulls and it just stays pulling exactly the same way. It's really nice. The 4R, you had to like rev it all the way out. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, man, like the video. If you didn't like the video, don't like the video. You know how it goes. Peace. Oh, I love sliding. It's so stupid, bro. I'm gonna have flat spots on my tires.